Hi, good morning, everyone. Namaskar. So we will start first. Okay, I'll explain the flow later. Okay, come sit up straight, close your eyes. Sit up straight, close your eyes. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Keep your spine straight. Relax your facial muscles. Relax your shoulder muscles. Inhale. Exhale. Be at the present moment. Embrace your practice. Embrace your body. And tell yourself this 1 hour is all for yourself, for the practice of yoga. If there's any thoughts in your mind, just be aware of it. Do not get engaged to any of the thoughts. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Slowly open your eyes and stretch out. Stretch out your legs. Hands to the side, keep your spine straight. You can place either this way or this way, whichever that is comfortable, but make sure your spine is straight. Inhale, squeeze your toes forward. Exhale towards your body. Inhale, squeeze forward. Exhale towards your body. Inhale, bend your ankle forward. Exhale towards your body. Inhale, bend your ankle forward. Exhale towards your body. Now legs apart, toes pointing to each other. You rotate, inhale down to the side. Exhale up to the center. Inhale down to the side. Exhale up to the side. Inhale upwards. Exhale all the way down. Inhale up. Exhale all the way. Now legs together. Hands on the knee. Inhale, lift up the heels off the mat, knee engagement. Exhale. Once again, inhale, lift up the heels off the mat. Exhale. Now bring both of your soles together. Move your knee up and down. Vinyasana butterfly. As much as you can. Now inhale, fly little up. Exhale, you elevate your spine and go down. Go down as much as you can, reaching to your root. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale once again, go down. Push yourself down. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come up. And stretch our legs. Now bend your right leg. Interlock below your right thigh. Keep your spine straight. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale right. Inhale up. Exhale on your thigh. Now we massage your leg. Up to your knee. Make sure the other leg is straight. You do not collapse, knee twist. Right hand on your right knee. Inhale, push down. Exhale, pull up. Inhale, push down. exhale, pull up. Release and keep rotation. Inhale up, exhale down. Once again, inhale up, exhale down. Release. Now for your left leg, interlock, spine straight. Inhale up, exhale right. Inhale up, exhale left. Inhale up, exhale on your thigh. Now you massage your leg. The other leg straight. Massage your leg up your knee. Now left hand on your left knee. Inhale, push down. Exhale, pull up. Inhale, push down. Exhale, pull up. Release and do rotation. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Release. Now right leg over left leg. You pull in to seated position and stretch out. Release. Sorry, stretch out your hands. Inhale up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale up. Now bend your thumb and your fingers clockwise. Wrist rotation. Anti-clockwise. Now bring your thumb to your shoulder. Elbows together. Okay, inhale up. Interlock. Use these two fingers to interlock your hand. Exhale, look up. Now bring your thumb back to your shoulder. You drop down to the back. You drop to the front. Now exhale, go all the way back. Inhale up. Exhale forward. Once again, inhale up. Interlock. Exhale up. Now thumb on your shoulder. Inhale, you drop down to the front. Exhale all the way back. Inhale up. Exhale forward. Release. Now for your neck. Inhale up. Exhale center. Inhale down. Exhale center. Inhale right. Exhale center. Inhale left. Exhale center. Inhale, tilt your neck to your right. Exhale center. Tilt your neck to your left. Exhale center. Last part eyeball exercise. You will interlock your fingers, stretch it out, and thumbs down. Okay, so you will be gazing at your thumb. You will not move your neck. You only move your eyeballs. Do not even move your body. Just move your hands like this. It will just go like this. Okay, look at your thumb. Inhale up. Exhale center. Inhale down. Exhale center. Inhale right. Exhale center. Inhale left. Exhale center. Inhale to the tip of your nose. Use your thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The center. To the space in between your eyebrows. Relax your eyebrows. Place your thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The center. And you slowly. Alright, drink some water. We have done with joint exercise. This is what we will start with first, always. Joint exercise. Now we will do Surya Namaskar. Okay? Sun salutation. Come to the front of your mat. Miss Wani, can push your this one, the iPad a bit further a bit, so I can see you fully. இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் கால் தெரியல. Can I? Okay. Okay, come to the front of your mat. Legs apart according to your hip width. Okay, கால் தூரமா வச்சுக்கோங்க. Hands on Namaskar Mudra. Close your eyes.
And so Namaskar Mudra, close your eyes. Tell yourself that this is a practice all for yourself, for your happiness, inner peace, good health, good wealth, and great wisdom. Through the practice of yoga, you will spread positivity, love, harmony, good thoughts, good deeds to yourself, to your family, to all those around you. With full energy, you are energized to practice Surya Namaskar today morning. Before we start our practice, let's thank the universe, the Mother Nature. Thank all the gurus, yogis, mahants, and rishis. Thank your teachers, your fellow practitioners. Thank yourself. Thank each and every part of your body for giving you the time, the strength, the opportunity, and the ability to practice yoga today. Take a deep inhalation and exhale. Inhale sideways up to the center of your chest. Inhale all the way to the back. Exhale all the way down. Right leg back. Inhale, open. Yes, back feet flat. Back feet flat. Both hands down. Bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Yes, push your shoulder in. Saranya, ulukku. No. Legs durma vinga. Open up your leg and push your chest inside. Like a V you should go. Like a V you should go. No, kai nera vinga. Yes, little adjust, little adjust. Okay. Now knee down, chest down, chin down. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Yes, very good. Inhale, cobra. Come up. Yes. Exhale, child. Sit on your heels. Inhale, cat. Look up. Exhale, mountain. Pravisha, you must go as a V. You shoulder push. Can you do sideways so I can see? Can you turn your mat sideways? If you can. Okay. One. கை பின்னாடி எடுத்துட்டு வாங்க ஒன்னும் Pravisha. இன்னும் எடுத்துட்டு வாங்க. Yes. Actually, இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் எடுத்துட்டு வரலாம். Yes, correct. 3. Make sure your leg is not touching the wall. Your leg must be down the mat. Yes, correct. Right leg forward. Inhale, open. Look up. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward. Knee straight. Have some gap in between your legs. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Now left leg back. Inhale, open. Back feet flat. Back feet flat. Yes, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Yes. 1. If your heels are not touching the mat, it's okay, right? It's okay if your heels are not touching the mat. 3. But knee straight. Menaga, knee straight. 4, 5. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Hold your breath. Yes. Inhale, cobra. Come on. Up to your navel. Yes. Exhale, child. Sit on your hips. Inhale, cat. Look up. Look up. Exhale, mountain. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Left leg forward. Menaga, you don't have to carry your leg up. மேல வரைக்கும் வேணாம். Just bring it forward. Okay. Inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward. Knee straight. Knee straight. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Right leg back. Inhale, open. Yes. Both hands down, bring the other leg back. Exhale, turn. One, two, three, 4, and 5. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Hold your breath. Inhale, cobra. Up to your navel. Yes. Pala, நீங்க கை கொஞ்சம் பின்னாடி எடுத்துட்டு வாங்க. So you're squeezing it, your shoulder. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Yes, now you breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right leg forward. Inhale, open. Yes, both hands down. Bring the other leg forward. Knee straight. Knee straight. Inhale up all the way. Exhale all the way down. Left leg back. Inhale, open. Left leg back. Inhale, open, and look up. Both hands down. Bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Yes. Open up the fingers. Knee straight down. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Hold your breath. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Look up. Exhale, mountain. Yes. Now you breathe. Privisha, uluk bonga. You walk your hand inside, walk your leg inside. Push your hip up, push your hip up. Yes, push them. Push. Yes, correct. Yes. Leg down, leg down. Yes. Shoulder you must push. 3, 4, and 5. Left leg forward. Inhale, open. Saranya, knee up. Yes, no worries. Do slowly. Both hands down. Bring the other leg forward. Knee straight. Inhale up all the way. Exhale all the way down. Right leg back. Inhale, open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Yes, open up your legs slightly. Okay, do not close too much. Have some gap. Yes. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right leg forward. Inhale. Open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg forward. Knee straight. Inhale up all the way. Exhale all the way down. Left leg back. Inhale. Open. Feet flat. Back feet flat. Both hands down. Bring the other leg back. Exhale. Mountain. Yes, go mountain. Knee down, chest down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Yes, you breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Left leg forward. Inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward. Knee straight. Other leg, yes, correct, correct. Inhale all the way up. Follow instruction, follow instruction. Exhale all the way down. Right leg back, inhale, open. 4th round. We will do 5 rounds all together. Both hands down, bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Pala, பின்னாடி போகும்போது கை பார்த்துக்கோங்க. Palms மின்னுக்கு இருக்கணும். I mean like facing front. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Yes, you breathe. 1. Palms firmly pressed on the mat. Knee must be straight. Must be inside of your mat. If your heels is touching the wall, please bring it inside. Right leg forward, inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward. Knee straight, inhale up all the way. Exhale all the way down. Left leg back, inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Left leg forward, inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward, knee straight. Inhale up all the way. Exhale all the way down. Right leg back, inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right leg forward, inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward, knee straight, inhale, up all the way. Exhale all the way down, left leg back, inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg back, exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. 1, 2, very good, very good. Stay. 3, 4, and 5. Left leg forward, inhale. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward, knee straight, inhale all the way up. Exhale to the center of your chest. Inhale sideways up. Exhale to the center of your chest. All right, release from your pose. Drink some water. And all right. Some of you, this is your first class. Saranya, this is your first class. Yes. Yes, okay. I think others. வேற யாரும் இல்ல தானே first class today. Kamini first class இன்னைக்கு. Okay. Okay. Let me just check. Who's first class? Both of them only, right? Okay. Yes. Okay. Revisha second class. Yes. You're supposed to join with your sister, right? Yes. You, Ayavida.
Saranya.
Hmm?
With Saranya.
Saranya. Oh. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. For Saranya and Kamnia, I will just explain ஒரு flow and then slowly you will see. So others you can see if you're doing it correctly. Okay. Especially the knee down, chest down, chin down. Especially the knee down, chest down, chin down is where normally you will get it a bit. You'll be a bit confused. So I'll just show that. Then we can start. Okay. Okay, see, as I told, legs slightly apart. So in Hatha Surya Namaskar, the one we just did is Hatha Surya Namaskar. We did 5 counts, okay? Legs normally apart, not too much, according to your hip width or length width. So it's for me it's like this, okay? Then you stand in Namaskar Mudra, you close your eyes, okay? First, you'll go inhale sideways up to the center of your chest, and then you go inhale all the way to the back. Go as much as you can, and then you exhale all the way down. Knee must be straight. Namaskar. Then right leg back. See, if your knee is bent slightly, it's okay. Just hold it. Okay. So make sure your knee is straight. Do not go like this. Okay. When you want to bring your right leg back, that's when you bend. Right leg back, back feet flat. Inhale, open. Up. Okay. Both hands down. As you place your both hands down, make sure you spread out your fingers. Okay, both hands down. Bring the other leg back. See, exhale, mountain. Some of you are here. Okay. Some of you are here. You have to push your shoulder in. Okay, can you see? If it's lifted up, it's okay. But not, make sure not bend. Okay. When you do mountain, some of you are here. Okay. You're pushing it down. You have to push it inside. Can you see? Okay. And then after once I come, you go knee down. You bring your body forward, chest down, and chin down. Okay. Then inhale up. Cobra. Can you see cobra? Elbow is up. It's not like this. It's up like this. Then exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale once again, one. And then you bring right leg forward. Inhale, open. Okay, see, when you open, your palm should face this way, in front, not behind. Both hands down. The other leg forward, knee straight. Inhale up all the way. Exhale, you go down, and then you bring left leg back. See, when you go knee down, chest down, chin down, you have to hold your breath. There's no breathing, so it's retention. Okay, இது நான் மத்தவங்களுக்கெல்லாம் சொல்லியிருக்கேன் ஏற்கனவே. So when you go when you go knee down, chest down, chin down, there's no breathing, there's retention. And then you inhale, cobra. Okay, are we okay? Any questions? Oh. Kamini, are you okay? Okay, okay. Yeah. All right. Today we're going to see a beautiful pose. Okay, it's called, yeah, we will do with standing செஞ்சிட்டு sitting Nadrajasana இல்ல okay, it's called Nadrajasana. Okay, Nadana dance, Rajana king. Okay, you everyone know Nataraja, right? Okay, probably some of your father's name is Nataraja, but yeah, Nadrajasana is dancer pose. Okay, today we will going to see dancer pose where it's actually okay, I will tell a short story about Nataraja. Nataraja வந்து சிவனோட ஒரு ஒரு அவதார் இஸ் நடராஜா. ஓகே, அர்த்தநாதீஸ்வரர் சொல்லுவாங்க. ஓகே, இஃப் யூ ஹேவ் ஹர்ட் அபவுட் இட், அர்த்தநாதீஸ்வரர் இஸ் நடராஜா. ஓகே, அந்த அவங்களோட ஒரு ஒரு வெர்ஷன். So if you have been to India, if you know this temple, Thillai Nadaraja temple. Okay, if I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but yeah, it's called Thillai Nadaraja temple. Okay, that's where in the Arthanadishwarar and the festival, it's very famous there. It's very popular. Varsa, I think every year they will do this. Okay, if you have watched Kadhalan movie, that அந்த ஒரு நாட்டியம் நடக்கல, அது வந்து அங்க அந்த கோயில்ல தான் நடக்கும். Okay, if you have watched this movie Kadhalan. Okay, if as how I'm going to tell you how Patanjali is father of yoga ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Okay, இந்த யோக சுத்ரா எழுதினவர் அவர். I'm not sure if I have the book here. I don't have the book here. Okay, Yoga Sutra of Patanjali. நிறைய sutras இருக்கு. Okay, யோகால நிறைய sutras இருக்கு. Sutrasனா it's Sanskrit written, the meaning, how it's related to life அந்த மாதிரி. So இந்த sutra எழுதினது Patanjali. Okay, Patanjali came down to watch this நாட்டியம். Okay, இந்த நாட்டியம் எதுக்காக வந்தார்னா, okay, who is Patanjali? First I will tell who is Patanjali. As I said, is father of yoga. Another one is விஷ்ணு இருப்பார்ல, விஷ்ணு படுத்திருப்பாரு. விஷ்ணு படுத்திரு அந்த செர்பன் இருக்குல்ல, அதுதான் பதாஞ்சலி. ஓகே, பதாஞ்சலி. ஓகே, so விஷ்ணு வந்து every time he will be watching Sivan doing this நாட்டியம். ஓகே, சிவதாண்டவம். ஓகே, சிவதாண்டவம் சிவன் வந்து வாட்ச் பண்ணுவாரு. So Patanjali will be only hearing, he won't be seeing. He can't see because he is this, Vishnu is watching like this, he is like this. அவர் சுத்தி அவரோட தலை வந்து இப்படிதானே இருக்கும். So he can't watch, he can only see. He can't watch, he can only hear. Okay, as the time goes, அவர் வந்து ஒரு நாள் விஷ்ணு கேட்டாராம், நானும் எனக்கும் ஆசையா இருக்கு அவரோட நாட்டியத்தை பார்க்கணும் அப்படின்னு, டான்ஸை பார்க்கணும் அப்படின்னு. அப்பதான் அந்த ஒரு அவதார் தான் கீழே they send. So if you want to watch, you have to go to the world and watch அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு they have Vishnu have sent Patanjali to world. Okay, அவர் அப்படி வரும்போது தான், of course you know, that's என்ன சொல்றது, rebirth அந்த மாதிரி தானே. அப்படி ஒரு ஹியூமன் பீங் வந்து ஒரு சேஜா வந்தவர் தான் பதாஞ்சலி. பதாஞ்சலி came to the world as a sage. அவங்க அம்மா, he actually born to a sage also, a female sage. Okay, அவங்க கல்யாணம் பண்ணல, but அவங்க like you know, it's the story when you know, when she prayed and then அவங்க கைக்கு வந்தது வந்து பதாஞ்சலி. பத்னா fall, பத் அஞ்சலி, அஞ்சலினா அந்த holding. Okay, பத்தாஞ்சலி, அதனால தான் அவர் பேர் பதாஞ்சலின்னு வந்து they named. And he watched this நாட்டியம் of சிவதாண்டவம், we call it சிவதாண்டவம். He watched, okay, because he is a very huge fan of Shivan. Okay, Adi Shivan யாரு? Adi Yogi. Okay, Adi Yogi is the if you know the story, Adi Yogi is யோகா எப்படி வந்துச்சுன்னா அந்த ஆதி யோகி மூலியமா தான் வந்துச்சு, இந்த சிவன் மூலியமா தான் வந்துச்சு. அதுல நிறைய, if you know the story, there will be a lot of sages who went to Adi Yogi and attained this knowledge of yoga. அதுல ஒருத்தர் தான் இந்த பதாஞ்சலி. Okay, அதுல ஒருத்தர் தான் இந்த sage பதாஞ்சலி. Okay, there's a lot of story, this is one part of story. Okay, this is why I tell the story, because we're going to do Natarajasana. Okay, all right, we will start. It's we will do few variations we will do, we will see. Okay, hold it longer. Okay, we will do the classic one and then I will show the others. Okay, we will do as we stand. Okay, come stand up. Okay, first we have done this pose, or pose மட்டும் தான் செஞ்சிருக்கோம். Okay, so you can watch. you will hold in outside of your leg. See, outside of your leg. You will pull up. Okay, and then you can have your hands straight or you can do a mudra. Okay, have your hands straight or do a mudra. Look at your hand and you breathe. Okay, you go here, you pull and you balance and you come. Okay, balance, balance. And then stay. Look at your fingers. See, do not pull like this. I'm pulling up. You have to open up. Elbow must be straight. Elbow cannot, not like this. Means elbow, see, can you see my elbow? It's not like this. It should go straight. Like this. And you breathe. Okay? Come. Right leg do first. Gameshwari, you have to hold outside, you holding inside. Knee straight, the left leg knee straight. Umesh, you can hold your wall. Umesh can hold your wall. Yes. Then kali ilunga mele. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Balance. If you go down, come back. 8, 9, and 10. Calm down. Very good. Switch leg. Switch leg. Let me see if you're holding it right. Okay, everyone holding it right. Correct. Good. Yes. Go 1, 2, 3. Slowly balance. 4. Pull your leg outside. Pull your leg outside. Pull your leg outside. Outside na up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly come. Relax. Okay. See, as you do this pose, okay, do not sit down, we will do that. As you do this pose, you'll feel that what you need is you need a lot of concentration, a lot of focus, and a lot of balancing. Sometimes as I count, you are probably focusing in my count and you can't hold the pose for long. As you do alone at home, okay, you can try in the evening. Let's say you come back, you just want to try how it goes. Your focus will be high. Another thing, if you're doing in the morning and doing in the evening, two different things. ஏன்னா காலையில எழுந்திரிச்சு செய்யும்போது மைண்ட் ஒன்றுமே இருக்காது, மைண்ட் வந்து கிளியரா இருக்கும், செய்யும் போது சின்னாங்க வர மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஆனா இதே ஈவினிங் செய்யும்போது வேலைக்கு போயிட்டு வரும்போது நிறைய பாஸ் ஏசிட்டாரு, பாஸ் நிறைய வேலை கொடுத்துட்டாரு, நிறைய விஷயம் இருக்கும்போது அந்த போஸ் செய்யும்போது அந்த வேற விஷயத்தை யோசிச்சிருந்தீங்கன்னா அந்த போஸ் you can't hold the pose for quite some time or longer. Okay, or even 5 counts, it's like you feel very hard and you're thinking, why it's so hard? I did in the morning, why I can't do it in the evening? It's because of this. There's a lot of thoughts that's running. The moment there's a lot of thoughts running inside, your balancing will be gone. Okay, when I teach balancing, I mentioned this. Your balancing will be gone. Okay, second one, come, you hold it here, still outside. See, do not hold inside. Inside as well, we will do later. Of course, we will do later. Hold it outside. From here, you will go down. Try to touch. Okay. Try to touch. Okay. If you can't touch, you cup it. Okay. And then you pull it up. Okay. I'm going to pull it up and you don't look down like that. Look slightly up. Okay. Come. Let's do right leg. Anna, in the knee, see, the knee must be straight, the left knee must be straight. Come. Slowly, yes. If you're too far, you walk in. slightly in, nearer to your leg. Okay, go down, go down. Okay. Okay, bend paninda, slide bend paninda, okay. Sometimes they will use block, they'll use block to pull. Come, 1, go down, 2, try to make your knee straight, 3, cup your fingers if your knee is bent, 4, Rekha, make your knee straight, 5, pull your leg up, everyone, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly come up, slowly. If you feel dizzy, go child pose. Feel dizzy means go child pose. Sometimes you'll feel dizzy. Okay, do the other leg. Come. Let's do. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Touch. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Carefully do balancing. Work on your balancing soon. Okay, we will see some balancing pose also soon. Okay. Next, I want you to hold here. Okay. So you can see. I'm going to carry up one leg, hold it. The other hand, hold it. Okay. As I hold, I'm gonna see. Push this back. Do not go like that. Push this back. Can you see? See my elbow. Okay. And then pull it up. Go forward. Okay, go forward. Pull it up. Go forward as much as you can. And stay. This leg, you can pull it up also. And you come. Okay? Come. Do your right. அந்த கால் எவ்வளவு மேலுக்கு போதோ அவ்வளவு நல்லது. நல்லதுன்னா the flexible, you'll get flexible. At probably at starting it will be a bit like கிட்ட இருக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கும், but slowly you try to work on this. Okay? Okay, come. 1, pull it up. You will feel this opening of your shoulder. You feel as you pull, you will feel here. 2, 3, 4, 5. Nalini, pull it வெளியே எடுத்துட்டு வாங்க ஒன்னு மேல. Yes. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come down. Let's do your left flick. Left leg, hold both hands, balance. See, breathe and focus. Find a focal point for you to focus. Slowly. Yes, now pull. 1. See, Hema, very good. 2, 3, Jeshini, very good. 4, let's go there. 5, Rekha, good. Pala, good. Everyone good. 6, 7, Maheshwari, கால் வெளியே கொண்டு போங்க, கிட்ட வச்சிருக்கீங்க. 8, 9, and 10. Slowly come down. See, as you pull, let's say if you're going like this. If you're going like this, you feel like you're going, but you're not going actually, because your leg is, see, this part of my leg and my thigh is actually touching. I have to open. And and okay, it needs a lot of balancing and focus. Okay, next, now I want you to hold inside. Just now you were holding outside, now hold inside. Okay, inside na இப்படி இருக்கும். Okay, front ல பாருங்க இப்படி இருக்கும். So முதல்ல இப்படி பிடிச்சிடலாம். வந்து இப்படி பிடிக்கும். Okay, as you hold, pull it back, hand, look at the back. Just now we were looking in front. Now our gazing will be at the back of your legs. Gaze at your toes. Gaze at your toes. Gaze at your toes. Come. Right leg. Always do right leg. Start always with right leg. Come, knee, do right leg. One hand, bring it up. Hand, bring it up. Yes, two, balance. And hand now balancing. 3, 4, 5. Slowly, slowly. 6, 7. பின்னாடி பாருங்க. 8, 9. And 10. Umeshwari, do the other. இப்படி செய்யுங்க. இப்படி திரும்பிக்கிட்டீங்கன்னா சின்னங்க இருக்கும். When you do right leg. Yes. Now do left leg. Come. So you have to turn this side when you do left leg, Umeshwari. So that you, the hand, yes, yes. Yes, look at your, கை வந்து wall வச்சுக்கோங்க. 1, look at, பின்னாடி பார்க்கணும். Left leg, look at your left leg. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly come down. Okay. Now we will do a variation. Another variation. Okay. It's mermaid in Nadarajasana variation. Okay. Now I want to see if everyone can do this. So you sit down now. In the pose on the standing pose, but now I'm going to see if everyone can do this. Right leg inside, left leg inside, right leg like this. You turn your right leg up. Okay, see how you turn. If from here you're pulling up, you can't pull up. This part of your thigh, you have to twist and turn, and then place your hand here. From here, you will. This is mermaid pose. Okay, this is mermaid pose. Okay, I want it. Everyone saw it. So right leg saying, right leg saying. I want to see if everyone can do it. Come. Yes, Sudha, okay. Nalini, okay. Saranya, very good. Hema, okay. Vignesh, okay. Miss Radha saying, no, wrong, Miss Radha. அப்படி இல்லை. You have to turn. Yeah, Privisha, okay. Meghna, okay. Menaga, okay. Kalai, saying, மலினி உங்க அந்த கால் வந்து வெளியே இருக்கணும், இந்த கால் உள்ளுக்கு இருக்கணும். Can see me? Can you see me? See, Miss Radha எப்படி வரும் கால்? See, if it's inside, it's very hard. You have to bring this leg outside and this leg you turn. Okay. My leg is, this feet is outside. Can you see? Okay. Let me check. Wait. Jeshini saying, Deepa, okay. Umesh saying, Punita saying, Malini, see your leg. Yes. Kamini saying, Pala, okay, good. Pala, twist a bit, Pala. Your hip. Okay. Don't do. Okay, Rekha, okay. Kode, okay. Nirubini, very good. Maheshwari, okay. Gamesh, do. Okay, do the other side now. Do the other side. Switch. This is mermaid pose. Now, இதே தான் நம்ம ஸ்டாண்டிங்ல செய்ய போறோம். Natarajasana variation. Yes, good, good. So now we are stretching it so that when we do, yes. Sometimes you feel one is more flexible than the other. Okay, it's normal, huh? Sometimes our body is like that. So we must work both sides. That's why we always work in both sides. All right. Okay. Come in saying it. Can. Yes, twist. Slowly you work on this. Huh? Okay. Now standing. Standing say போறோம். How you going to do standing? இதே தான். இப்போ செஞ்சோம்ல அதே தான் செய்ய போறோம். Okay? You will bring it up. Hold it. Place it. And then bring it up. Okay? Same thing as we did in sitting. Now we do in standing with more balanced, and basement must be very strong. Okay, come. Try. இப்போ சிட்டிங்ல செஞ்சவங்க எல்லாம் ஸ்டாண்டிங்ல செய்ய முடியும். Okay, just the matter of balancing. Come. Yes, very good. Yes, balance. Kai reach panati, it's okay. What you can do is, okay. Let me see. If you have towel, see, you have towel, you can hold your towel. See, okay, if you have towel, kai ipdi podula, towel la pudichikonga. Then you walk your towel in like that, and then slowly you can hold already. If you have towel, use your towel. Let's say kai ettla enakku towel vechi indha pakku pudichikonga, and then you walk with your towel. So this will actually get stretched. Can you see the stretch? Where's the stretch happening? This side, so you can actually hold. Come, try. அந்த கையும் towel வச்சுக்கணும். Yes, then you walk slowly. Walk 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly come down. Let's switch leg. Yes, கை வலிக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கும், கால் வலிக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கும். Yes, that is the challenge that you are giving your body. Come, 1, 2, 3. பல முத புடிச்சிட்டு கால் முத வச்சிட்டு அப்புறம் தான் பிடிக்கணும். Yes. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yes, calm down. Very good. Calm down, relax yourself, drink some water. Sit down first. Pala, saying it. Okay. Yes. See, as you from here, you have to hold the towel. If you can, you'll work on this. Okay, slowly. Okay. Sit. Okay. Regulate your breathing. Drink some water. You lie down, Shavasana. Lie down, Shavasana. This is Shavasana. Okay, actually. This is Shavasana. Shavasana, palm facing up. Okay, palm facing up, close your eyes. Lie down straight, palm facing up, close your eyes. Just relax yourself. Just relax yourself. As you relax, you will find the breathing is regulating. your eyes. Close your eyes. Sit up straight, close your eyes. Observe your morning practice. Close your eyes. Observe your morning practice. Observe your body. Observe the changes. Observe your breathing. Now bring both hands together, rub your hands. Place it on your eyes, on your face, shoulder, hands, and legs. Once again, rub your hands on your eyes, on your face, shoulder, hands, and legs. All right, and slowly open your eyes. We are done for today. So before we end our session today, I just want to tell that see some of you are very new here. Okay, as I said, we're Saturday video now, I'll send the Saturday video because I was quite busy. I had exams going on, so I'm done. So I will send both the videos. So Wednesday, Saturday video and also today's video I'll send together with all the Surya Namaskar I will send. Okay, do practice as much as you can. As I always say, practice is the key. Consistent is the key. So make sure we have 3 classes in a week for morning session. So as other day you practice, do self practice. If you have any questions, you do ask me. Main thing, try to practice Surya Namaskar. Where asana practice panadi kuda, it's okay, but try to practice Surya Namaskar at least 5 rounds on a daily basis. Okay, if you have time, then you can practice your asanas. Asanas is postures. You can practice. Okay, videos irukku, neenga practice panikalam. And remember, yoga is for everyone, and through yoga you will find yourself. How I find myself na? Through yoga, you know your capability, your strength. Okay, okay, the example, when I have started this one particular pose, it's called wheel pose. Okay, some of you will know wheel pose, chakrasana. Okay, or we call it Urdhva Dhanurasana. When I was doing this pose, before I did this pose, I thought I could lift up myself. Okay, okay, I'll show. This is the pose actually. This show. Okay, tuck in பண்ணிட்டு கை வச்சு you have to carry, lift up yourself. Okay, you lift up. Okay, this is the pose. When I started this pose, when I first before when I want to do this pose, I was thinking I could lift up myself. Okay, I have strength. Since I was in sports, I thought, okay, I have strength, I can lift up. But the moment I tend to lift up, I couldn't lift up actually. Okay, I've written a bit of article, but the story in my Insta also. Okay, first was varamodhu vara mudiyala. Okay, vara mudiyala. Master தான் தூக்கி விட்டார் actually. Master actually pushed my body up, and then I went up. And then when we practicing Ashtanga, so when the moon, what is 5 counts, then come down, then go up, 5 counts, then come down, and then another 5 counts. First he have pushed, so I was holding 5 counts, come down. Marupadi push பண்ணும்போது I got cramp and I couldn't breathe. Okay, I have to roll back, and then I said I give up. Okay, that was my first experience of doing this pose. This if it comes to pose Urdhva Dhanurasana or wheel pose, Chakrasana. Okay, that is the point. That is the time that I know, oh, okay, my body is this, my body is that. See, as you practice yoga, you will learn about yourself. Okay, as you start, probably you say, yo, na yoga sindanga irukku nenchen, ivlo kashthama irukku yoga. I thought as a female practitioner, we all will think we are quite flexible. Okay, ella flexible pose namalku varum, namba flexible, but it's not like that. Each and every body is different. You will feel flexible, but you won't. Okay, கால் கிட்ட வர மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஆனா எங்கேயோ தூரமா இருக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஆனா remember, one day as you practice and practice, the leg will eventually come. That's when you will realize what your body is actually doing to yourself. I mean, what your body is changing, how the body is changing, how as you wanted. உங்களுக்கு இதெல்லாம் நீங்க செய்யணும். இப்ப ஹிட்ஸ் அண்ட் செய்யும் போது முத இந்த ஃபியர்லாம் இருக்கிறதுனால ஹிட்ஸ் அண்ட் வராது. ஓகே, ஆனா அது பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ண how you can achieve handstand. Some of you have achieved handstand, I think. Some of you ஆமாவா? இல்ல உங்களுக்கு நான் சொல்லி கொடுத்தது இல்ல. ஓகே, handstand சொல்லி கொடுத்தது இல்ல. Okay, will achieve handstand or any other pose, balancing pose or carrying up, lifting pose. Okay, maybe to next class I'll teach bakasana. Okay, lifting up pose, all this pose. Okay, so this is what yoga is actually teaching. Yoga is teaching you to find yourself within yourself. Okay, the moment you have find yourself, okay, and body ipdida, this is what you will apply back to your life. இப்போ யோகால வந்து ஓகே, யோகால நான் ஃபிளெக்சிபிளா இருக்கேன், யோகால நான் வந்து physically, mentally, everything, all the strength I'm learning a bit. How do I apply? As you, if you think okay, இவ்வளவு வேலை கொடுக்குறாங்க, I don't think so I'm capable of doing. As you progress, you will know you are more capable of doing the job, because the mind, you have taken control, you know how you are going to do, you are well organized, you are planning it well. So this is what overall yoga will teach you. You will know yourself better through yoga. Okay, yes, okay, probably you won't know என்ன சொல்றாங்க ஒண்ணுமே புரியல, இதுதான் first day, இதுதான் second week, இப்படிலாம் இருக்கும். But do not worry, you will eventually see, with yoga you won't go in a bad, நான் வந்து தப்பா போயிடுவேன், நான் வந்து இல்ல I will injure myself, I will hurt myself. Do not think like that. Yes, there will be pain as you progress. Pain na, because it's stretching, your body is stretching, you are getting more energy. But நீங்க வந்து எந்தெந்த போஸ்லாம் நீங்க ஹோல்ட் பண்ண முடியலையோ அந்த போஸ்லாம் நீங்க ஹோல்ட் பண்ணும்போது what you will gain is you are gaining strength. Okay, this upper body strength or your leg strength, okay, balancing strength. Okay, slowly we will learn all this. Okay, ஒவ்வொரு போஸ் செய்யும்போதும் ஒவ்வொரு வாட்டியும் வேற ஆளு வேற மாதிரி செய்வாங்க. Okay, as I'm being with you, our journey is going to go together for quite some time. I hope for quite some long, I hope I will know your body, although it's virtually, each of your body I will know. Okay, then I am 48 days irukanga, 48 days course edutavanga, how they came in and how they are after 48 days. For the 48 days le changes theriyirchi. So 48 days na உங்களுக்கு வந்து 48 days will be 4 months. Okay, within this 4 months, if you are practicing consistently, you will see changes. நான் உங்ககிட்ட சேஞ்ச் பார்க்கறதோட நீங்களே உங்க பாடியில நிறைய சேஞ்சஸ் பார்ப்பீங்க. பாடியில மட்டும் இல்ல, your mind, the way you do take decision, the way you run your daily life and so on, including your work. Okay, all right, with that I end my session today. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a great day. Have a great month, October month. Okay, I'll see you again on Wednesday 6 a.m. Okay, class at 6 a.m. Okay, some of you I think I overlooked, I didn't mention because in the group I've mentioned in the previous group. Okay, take care and see you all on Wednesday. Bye bye.